Ah! Well, I'm back with an unnecessary ending, which was not necessary at all, but the phone's battery got over. And I have to keep the first part because to show the authenticity of. To show the authenticity of the video. So, this is Fletchinder. Man, sorry if I mispronounce any of the Pokemon. Sorry. So, Slurpluff. Okay. Is this real? It is Rayquaza EX or Rayquaza. Then we have Rufflet, Gotharita, Talonflame, Tyrantrum, Aromatisse. Oh, we got the best card. Greninja. Yay. Actually, Rayquaza EX was the best card. Another repeat of Luxray. Another repeat of Skiddo. Another repeat of Rybra. Another repeat of Fletchinder. Okay, this is so fake. This is not this is a fake card. Slurpuff. Okay, this is fake. Rayquaza EX. Rufflet, Gotharita, Talonflame, Tyrantrum, Aromatisse, Greninja, Luxray, Skiddo, Vibra, Fletchinder, Skiddo. That's Slurpuff. Rayquaza EX again. Okay, you don't get so many EX. This is so fake. This is not happening. Rufflet and Gotharita, Talonflame, Tyrantrum, Aromatisse, Greninja, Luxray, Skiddo, Vibra, Fletchinder, and the last card, Rayquaza EX. Great. Looks so fake, but I am not actually sure. So anyone in the comments tell me if this is fake. It looks so fake, but I am not sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Tongue.